Hey guys, it's back. The long awaited Nokia 9 is back with not one, not two, not three, and not even four, but 5 cameras on the back. Yes, the Nokia 9 Pureview Panda camera phone is here in an official 360-degree factory CAD thanks to on leaks. So first, as you can see on the front, it has no notch on top. Thankfully, it has a little bit bezels, but not as much, and for me it looks beautiful. We have a selfie camera on top bezel along with Nokia logo as well as an earpiece, and a display is a little bit roundish at the corners with a size of 5.9 inch and Quad HD resolution. There is a volume rocker and power key on the right hand side and nothing on the left. And on the back, here's the main headline feature of Nokia 9, and that is this 5 cameras. So 5 cameras are expected to include wide angle lens, main lens, telephoto lens, monochrome lens, and maybe a depth sensing lens. But remember, there is no confirmation about this. It is just what we expect, and these lenses will also come with Carl Zeiss optics as we have seen in the live images. We don't know how it's gonna work, what features it came with, but what we know is that these cameras are looking great here, so hopefully it will perform better and maybe lead the 2019 mobile market in the camera department with these 5 cameras. But I have to say that Nokia is doing amazing with the hardware, but they have to bring the software camera game up as well to create a killer camera combination. But let me know what you think about it. And also, as you can see, here is no fingerprint sensor on the back of the phone, which further confirms previous rumors that it's the first Nokia phone to have an in-display fingerprint scanner, and it has this glass sandwich design, so here's a possibility that it will have a wireless charging support as well, and furthermore it will have no headphone jack. Under the hood, it will have a Snapdragon 845 chipset, sadly not a 7nm chipset, with up to 8 gigs of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, and the Android Pie will be on board with an Android 1 program. So that's all we have in this video. There will be more leaks about it soon because still we don't know much about its main feature, that is the Panda camera. So be sure to subscribe. And yeah, Nokia is going to launch this phone in 2019, maybe at MWC or at CES 2019. So yeah, make sure to subscribe for more information about it, and let me know what other features you expect in it in the camera department as well. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.